From the circuits to the skies, I've built my domain, forging innovation through the sparks and the strain. With precision and passion, the future takes form. I'm the architect of progress, I weather the storm. I am Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, breaking the limits, leaving doubt far behind. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. Silicon dreams to machines that inspire, I ignite revolution, I'm the source of the fire. Every wire, every code, every plan that I trace, it's a testament to power, to the human race. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, breaking the limits, leaving doubt far behind. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. Vision flows through my veins. Blueprints and schematics are my domain. With every breakthrough, I raise the bar. I'm Armstrong, the engineer's shining star. I am Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, designing the future with relentless pride. Engineering marvels, my legacy song. The world moves forward when I press on.
From circuits to the skies, I build with His grace. Each spark and design is wisdom I embrace. From the tiniest ship to the largest hull, I do it, I can build it all. With God as my strength, my protector, my light, I create with purpose through the day and the night. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, breaking the limits, leaving fear far behind. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. I'm strong. From processor cores to dreams that inspire, I ignite revolutions, I'm the source of the fire. Every wire, every code, every system I trace builds a legacy that lifts the human race. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, breaking the limits, leaving fear far behind. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. I'm strong. Innovation fuels my veins. Blueprints and schematics are my domain. With every breakthrough, I raise the bar. I'm Armstrong, the engineer, shining star. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, designing the future, my purpose aligned. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. I'm strong. My God, do I rest in Him, pay all the praise and glory. On processor cores to dreams that inspire, I ignite revolutions, I'm the source of the fire. Every wire, every code, every system I trace builds a legacy that lifts the human race. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the mind, designing the future, my purpose aligned. Engineering marvels, I stand tall and strong. The world moves forward when I press on. my veins. Blueprints and schematics on my domain. With every breakthrough I raise the bar. I'm Armstrong, the engineer, shining star. I'm Armstrong. Innovation fuels my veins. Blueprints and schematics on my domain. With every breakthrough I raise the bar. I'm Armstrong, the engineer, shining star. I'm Armstrong. I'm Armstrong, the strongest, the smartest, the most